Welcome. In front of me I have ZTE Blade V2020 and I will show you how you can activate Hey Google voice command in the smartphone. So at the first you have to go for your Google application. Right now go for the more, find settings, go for the voice and click on the voice match. Right now we have to tap on the Hey Google, click next, tap right here, agree, and in my case it's ready, but you will have this circle and you have to say OK Google for the 2 times. OK Google, Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google. As you can see it's ready, and right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, our assistant will be activated. As you can see it works. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.